A list of medical organizations from the Dead Healthfinder Gov Now Health Gov Myhealthfinder. Chapter 1. A list of medical organizations by subject/illness at wayback.archive-it.org/all/20190703132758/health.gov/NHIC/pub/clearinghouses. A. Aging. Elder Care Locator. Administration on Aging. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. eldercare.gov/eldercare.net/public/index.aspx. 800-677-1116. The Elder Care Locator, a toll-free, operator-assisted service funded by the U.S. Administration on Aging, helps older adults and their caregivers find local services for seniors. The service links family members and the public to the information and referral, I&R services of their state and area agencies on aging. These I&R programs can help you identify appropriate services in the area where you or your family members reside. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, voicemail 24 hours a day. Online chat available. National Aging Information and Referral Support Center. National Association of States United for Aging and Disabilities. 1201 15th Street Northwest. Number 350. Washington, D.C. 20005. info@nasuad.org. nasuad.org/initiative/national-information-referral-support-center. 202-898-2578. 202-898-2583, fax. The National Aging Information and Referral Support Center is designed to enhance the capacity of aging information and referral/assistance, I&R/A, systems to provide the information, counseling, decision supports, and advocacy needed to secure services and benefits for an ever-growing and increasingly diverse population of older persons and caregivers. Funding is provided by the Administration for Community Living and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. National Institute of Aging. Building 31, Room 5C27. 31, Center Drive MSC 2292. Bethesda, Maryland 20892. NIA@nia.nih.gov. nia.nih.gov. 800-222-2225. 800-222-4225, TTY. 301-496-1752. The National Institute on Aging Information Center provides publications on health topics of interest to older adults, doctors, nurses, social activities directors, health educators, and the public. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Agriculture. U.S. Department of Agriculture Extension Service. See the listing in the Government section of your telephone book for your local extension office, which can provide information on health, nutrition, fitness, and family well-being. Alternative medicine. National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health Information Clearinghouse. P.O. Box 7923. Gaithersburg, Maryland 20898-7923. info@nccm.nih.gov. nccih.nih.gov. 888-644-6226. 866-464-3615, TTY. 866-464-3616, fax. The National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine, NCAM, Information Clearinghouse operates a toll-free telephone service. Information specialists search NCAM databases for scientific information on complementary medicine practices, therapies, or conditions and can answer inquiries in English and Spanish. The Fax on Demand service, with fact sheets and other information, is also available through the toll-free number. NCAM services and materials are provided at no cost. The clearinghouse does not provide medical referrals, medical advice, or recommendations for specific complementary medicine practices therapies. Hours of operation, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's Disease Education and Referral Center. National Institute on Aging. Building 31, Room 5C27. 31, Center Drive MSC 2292. Bethesda, Maryland 20892. ADEAR@nia.nih.gov. nia.nih.gov/Alzheimer's. 800-438-4380. 301-496-1072, fax. The Alzheimer's Disease Education and Referral, ADER, Center provides information about Alzheimer's disease and related disorders to health professionals, patients and their families, and the public. Most of the publications are provided at no charge as a service of the National Institute on Aging, one of the federal government's National Institutes of Health. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Arthritis. National Institute of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Diseases Information Clearinghouse. NIAM/National Institutes of Health. 1 AMS Circle. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-3675. aniamsinfo@mail.nih.gov. aniams.nih.gov. 877, 22 NIAMS, 226-4267. 301-495-4484. 301-565-2966, TTY. 301-718-6366, fax. The National Institute of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Diseases, NIAMS, Information Clearinghouse serves the public, patients, and health professionals by providing information, locating other information sources, creating health information materials, and participating in a national federal database on health. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Audiovisuals. National Audiovisual Center. National Technical Information Service. U.S. Department of Commerce. 5301 Shawnee Road. Alexandria, Virginia 22312. info@ntis.gov. classic.ntis.gov/products/NAC. 800-553-NTIS, 553-6847. The National Audiovisual Center is a unique centralized resource for federally developed training and education materials. Its collection contains more than 9,000 audiovisual and media productions. The range of subject areas includes training in occupational safety and health, fire services, law enforcement, and foreign languages. Information and educational materials include areas such as history, health, agriculture, and natural resources. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. B. Blindness. National Library Service for the Blind and Physically Handicapped. Library of Congress. Reference Section 1291 Taylor Street Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20542-0001. NLS@loc.gov. loc.gov/NLS. 202-707-5100. 800-424-8567. 202-707-0744, TDD. 202-707-0712, fax. The National Library Service for the Blind and Physically Handicapped administers a national library service that provides Braille and recorded books and magazines on free loan to eligible residents of the United States or American citizens living abroad who cannot read or use standard printed materials because of permanent or temporary visual or physical disabilities. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. C. Cancer. Cancer Information Service. Office of Communications and Education. National Cancer Institute. BG 9609 MSC 9760. 9609 Medical Center Drive. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-9760. Cancer.gov. 800 4-CANCER 422-6237, English/Spanish. 877-44-UQUIT, 448-7848, Smoking Cessation. The Cancer Information Service, CIS, provides information about cancer and cancer-related resources to patients, the public, and health professionals. Inquiries are handled by trained information specialists and Spanish-speaking staff members are available. CIS distributes free publications from the National Cancer Institute. Hours of operation, phone, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and live help/chat, English, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., Spanish, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Child Development/Parenting. Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development Information Resource Center. 31, Center Drive. Building 31, Room 2832. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-2425. NIC HD Information Resource Center at mail.nih.gov. nichd.nih.gov/pages/index.aspx. 800-370-2943. 888-320-6942, TTY. 866-760-5947, fax. The Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development, NICHD, Information Resource Center provides information on health issues related to NICHD research. NICHD supports and conducts research on health topics related to children, adults, families, and communities. NICHD has primary responsibility for conducting and supporting basic, clinical, and translational research in the biomedical, behavioral, and social sciences related to child and maternal health, in medical rehabilitation, and in the reproductive sciences. NICHD also leads a consortium of federal agencies in leading the National Children's Study, which will examine environmental effects on child health and development. The NICHD Information Resource Center offers trained information specialists who have access to information and referral services on topics related to the mission of NICHD. The information specialists provide information in both English and Spanish. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Child Welfare. Child Welfare Information Gateway. Children's Bureau. Administration for Children and Families. 330 C Street, SW. Washington, D.C. 20201. info@childwelfare.gov. childwelfare.gov. 800-394-3366. The Child Welfare Information Gateway provides access to information and resources to help protect children and strengthen families. The Child Welfare Information Gateway promotes the safety, permanency, and well-being of children and families by connecting child welfare, adoption and related professionals, as well as concerned citizens to timely, essential information. A service of the Children's Bureau, Administration for Children and Families, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. They also provide access to print and electronic publications, websites, and online databases covering a wide range of topics from prevention to permanency, including child welfare, child abuse and neglect, adoption, search and reunion, and more. Hours of operation, 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Live chat, hours of operation 10 a.m. 5 p.m. Monday, Friday, Eastern Time. Consumer questions. Federal Citizen Information Center. Publications.usa.gov. 719-295-2675. The Federal Citizen Information Center, FCIC, has been a trusted one-stop source for answers to questions about consumer problems and government services for more than 35 years. The quarterly Consumer Information Catalog lists more than 200 free or low-cost federal publications on a variety of topics. The Consumer Action Handbook is a 160-page guide designed to help citizens find the best and most direct source for assistance with their consumer problems and questions. FCIC on the web, usa.gov, kids.gov, pueblo.gsa.gov, consumeraction.gov, gobernousa.gov, and consumidor.gov, features these publications and many more that visitors can view, print, or download for free. It also features consumer news and tips and updates from various federal agencies. FCIC's National Contact Center has specially trained staff who can answer questions in English and Spanish about all aspects of the federal government or direct callers to an appropriate contact. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. D. Deaf-blindness. National Consortium on Deaf-Blindness. Teaching Research Institute. Western Oregon University. 345 North Monmouth Avenue. Monmouth, Oregon, 97361. info@nationaldb.org. national.org, 503-838-8754. 503-838-8150, fax. DB link at the National Consortium on Deaf-Blindness, NCDB, provides information related to children and youth who are deaf-blind. Parents, service providers, administrators, and others who need information are invited to contact DB Link for information. NCDB is a collaborative effort of the Helen Keller National Center, Perkins School for the Blind, and the Teaching Research Institute of Western Oregon University. NCDB is the sponsor of the publication Deaf-Blind Perspectives. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, voicemail 24 hours a day. Deafness/communication disorders. National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders Information Clearinghouse. 31 Center Drive, MSC 2320. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-3456. NIDCD info@nidcd.nih.gov. nidcd.nih.gov. 800-241-1044. 301-827-8183. 800-241-1055, TTY. 301-402-0018, fax. The National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders, NIDD, Information Clearinghouse collects and disseminates information on hearing, balance, smell, taste, voice, speech, and language for health professionals, patients, people in industry, and the public. NIDD maintains a database of references to brochures, books, articles, fact sheets, organizations, and educational materials, called the NIDD Health Information Index. It also develops publications, including directories, fact sheets, brochures, information packets, and newsletters. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Dental/oral health. National Maternal and Child Oral Health Resource Center. Georgetown University. Box 571272. Washington, D.C. 20057-1272. or see info@georgetown.edu. mcoralhealth.org, 202-784-9771. The purpose of the National Maternal and Child Oral Health Resource Center, OHRC, is to respond to the needs of states and communities in addressing current and emerging public oral health issues. OHRC supports health professionals, program administrators, educators, policymakers, and others with the goal of improving oral health services for infants, children, adolescents, and their families. ORHC collaborates with federal, state, and local agencies, national and state organizations and associations, and foundations, to gather, develop, and share quality and valued information and materials. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. National Oral Health Information Clearinghouse. National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research. 1 Nahique Way, Bethesda, Maryland, 20892-3500. NIDCRinfo@mail.nih.gov. nidcr.nih.gov. 866-232-4528. 301-480-4098, fax. The National Oral Health Information Clearinghouse, NAHIC, focuses on general oral health as well as the information needs of special care patients, including people with generic or systemic disorders that compromise oral health, whose medical treatments cause oral problems, or whose mental or physical disabilities complicate oral hygiene or treatment. NAHIC develops and distributes information and educational materials on general oral health and special care topics and provides information services with trained staff to respond to specific interests and questions. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, voicemail available after hours. Diabetes/digestive diseases. National Diabetes Information Clearinghouse. 1 Information Way, Bethesda, Maryland, 20892-3560. healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. diabetes.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162, TTY. 703-738-4929, fax. The National Diabetes Information Clearinghouse, NDIC, is an information and referral service of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, one of the National Institutes of Health. The Clearinghouse responds to written, telephone, and email inquiries, develops and distributes publications about diabetes, and provides referrals to diabetes organizations, including support groups. NDIC has developed valuable tools and resources for consumers and health professionals, which can be accessed at diabetes.niddk.nih.gov/resources. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. National Digestive Diseases Information Clearinghouse. 2 Information Way, Bethesda, Maryland, 20892-3570. healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. digestive.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162, TTY. 703-738-4929, fax. The National Digestive Diseases Information Clearinghouse, NDIC, is an information and referral service of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, one of the National Institutes of Health. A central information resource on the prevention and management of digestive diseases, the Clearinghouse responds to written inquiries, develops and distributes publications about digestive diseases, and provides referrals to digestive disease organizations, including support groups. NDIC maintains a database of patient and professional education materials from which literature searches are generated. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Disabilities/special education. Clearinghouse on Disability Information. Office of Special Education and Rehabilitative Services. U.S. Department of Education. 550 12th Street SW, Room 5133. Washington, D.C. 20202-2550. www.ed.gov/about/offices/lists/osers/cody.html. 202-245-7307. 202-205-5637, TTD. 202-245-7636, fax. The Clearinghouse provides information to people with disabilities, or anyone requesting information, by doing research and providing documents in response to inquiries. Information provided includes areas of federal funding for disability-related programs. Clearinghouse staff is trained to refer requests to other sources of disability-related information, if necessary. Information provided may be useful to individuals with disabilities, their families, schools and universities, teachers and school administrators, and organizations that have persons with disabilities as clients. Disease prevention. CDC National Prevention Information Network. P.O. Box 6003. Rockville, Maryland 20849-6003. NPIN-info@cdc.gov. pnbin.org, 800, CDC-info, 232-4636, English/Spanish. 888-232-6348, TTY. The CDC National Prevention Information Network, NPIN, is the United States reference and referral service for information on HIV/AIDS, viral hepatitis, sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, tuberculosis, TB, school health, and health communication. NPIN is a next-generation clearinghouse that collects and disseminates data and materials to support the work of prevention organizations and workers in international, national, state, and local settings. All NPIN services are designed to facilitate program collaboration in sharing information, resources, published materials, research, and trends among the 4 diseases. Hours of operation, phone, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Drinking water safety. Safe Drinking Water Hotline. U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Office of Water, 4100 T. 1200, Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest. Mail Code 4606M. Washington, D.C. 20460. water.epa.gov/drink/hotline/index.cfm. 800-426-4791. 703-412-3330, local and international calls. The EPA Safe Drinking Water Hotline is a service of the Office of Groundwater and Drinking Water. It provides the general public, regulators, medical and water professionals, academia, and media, with information about drinking water and groundwater programs authorized under the Safe Drinking Water Act. The hotline responds to factual questions in the following program areas: local drinking water quality, drinking water standards, public drinking water systems, source water protection, large capacity residential septic systems, commercial and industrial septic systems, injection wells, and drainage wells. Hours of operation, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, as well as the day after Thanksgiving Day, but are open on Veterans Day. Drug abuse. National Institute on Drug Abuse Virtual Information Center. Office of Science Policy and Communications. National Institute on Drug Abuse. 6001 Executive Boulevard, Room 5213, MSC 9561. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-9561. Information at nida.nih.gov. nida.nih.gov. Teens.drugabuse.gov, NIDA for teens. EasyRead.drugabuse.gov, NIDA easy to read drug facts. 301-443-1124. 877-643-2644, publication orders. 240-645-0228, TDD. The National Institute on Drug Abuse Virtual Information Center, NIDA-VIC, responds to inquiries sent to the Institute, via information at nida.nih.gov or the NIDA and NIDA for Teens websites, by the public, medical and health professionals, educators, researchers, people in the substance abuse field, and the media. Information is provided on the common drugs of abuse and a variety of topics related to drug abuse and addiction. The NIDA Research Dissemination Center, NIDA RDC, distributes publications for NIDA. To order free print copies of publication within the United States, call the NIDA RDC at 877-643-2644, send them a fax at 240-645-0227, or email them at drugpubs@nida.nih.gov. Email or fax NIDA RDC for information on international shipping. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. E. Education. Education Resources Information Center. Institute of Education Sciences. 550 12th Street SW. Washington, D.C. 20202. eric.ed.gov. ies.ed.gov/ncee/projects/eric.asp. 800, let Eric, 538-3742. The Education Resources Information Center, ERIC, is a digital library of education-related resources, sponsored by the Institute of Education Sciences of the U.S. Department of Education. ERIC's mission is to provide a comprehensive, easy-to-use, searchable, Internet-based bibliographic and full-text database of education research and information that also meets the requirements of the Education Sciences Reform Act of 2002. A fundamental goal for ERIC's future is to increase the availability and quality of research and information for educators, researchers, and the general public. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Elder Abuse. National Center on Elder Abuse. C/O University of Southern California Keck School of Medicine. Department of Family Medicine and Geriatrics. 1000 South Fremont Avenue Unit 22 BLD. A6. Alhambra, California 91803. NCEA-info@aoa.hhs.gov. NCEA.acl.gov. 855-500-3537, ELDR. 626-457-4090, fax. The National Center on Elder Abuse is a national resource for elder rights, law enforcement and legal professionals, public policy leaders, researchers, and the public. The center's mission is to promote understanding, knowledge sharing, and action on elder abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Pacific Time, except federal holidays. Spanish assistance provided Thursdays and Fridays only. Endocrine/metabolic diseases. National Endocrine and Metabolic Diseases Information Service. 6. Information Way. Bethesda, Maryland 20892-3569. Healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. Endocrine.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162, TTY. 703-738-4929, fax. The National Endocrine and Metabolic Diseases Information Service, NEMDIS, is a service of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDK. The NIDK is part of the National Institutes of Health of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The NEMDIS answers inquiries, develops and distributes publications, and works closely with professional and patient organizations and government agencies to coordinate resources about endocrine and metabolic diseases. NEMDIS resources for consumers and health professionals can be accessed at endocrine.niddk.nih.gov/resources. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Environment. Environmental Protection Agency. National Library Network, MC 3404T. 1200 Pennsylvania Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20460. EPA Library Network at epa.gov. epa.gov/libraries. 202-566-0556. The libraries offer general information about the agency and refer inquiries to the appropriate regional or program office. The public may visit and use the library's collections on site, but materials do not circulate to non-EPA staff. The libraries do not distribute agency publications. The EPA National Library Network is composed of libraries and repositories located in the agency's headquarters, regional and field offices, research centers, and specialized laboratories, as well as web-based access to electronic collections. Information about the EPA National Library Network, including a listing of libraries, may be accessed at epa.gov/libraries/libraries.htm. The combined network collections contain information about the environment and related scientific, technical, management, and policy information. The EPA Online Library System is the network's online catalog of library holdings and is available at www.epa.gov/libraries/catalog. The public can request EPA library materials, including journals, books, and EPA documents, via interlibrary loan from their local library. The National Environmental Publications Internet site, epa.gov/nscep, the agency's gateway for EPA publications, provides free access to more than 31,000 electronic EPA documents and more than 7,000 hard copy EPA documents. Hours of operation, public, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, EPA staff, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. G. General Health. ASPE Library. Office of the Assistant Secretary for Planning and Evaluation. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Hubert H. Humphrey Building, Room 415F. 200 Independence Avenue SW. Washington, D.C. 20201. ASPE at hhs.gov. aspe.hhs.gov/reports. 202-690-7858. The ASPE Library is a centralized repository of evaluations, short-term evaluative research reports and program inspections/audits relevant to the department's operations, programs, and policies. Final reports and executive summaries are available for review at the facility. Some may be purchased from the National Technical Information Service. Others are linked as full-text documents to abstract records in the evaluation database. In addition, the HHS evaluation database is accessible through the ASPE website, aspe.hhs.gov. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Health Resources and Services Administration Information Center. 8280 Greensboro Drive, McLean, Virginia 22102. HRSA.gov. 888 Ask HRSA 275-4772. 877 4TI HRSA 489-4772 TTY. The Health Resources and Services Administration, HRSA Information Center provides publications, resources, and referrals on healthcare services for medically underserved individuals and populations. Trained information specialists answer questions, refer callers to subject-specific information resources, and provide HRSA publications. Spanish-speaking information specialists are available. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. National Guideline Clearinghouse Trademark. Center for Outcomes and Evidence. Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. 5600 Fishers Lane, Rockville, Maryland 20857. Guideline.gov. 301-427-1364. The National Guideline Clearinghouse Trademark, NGC, is a public resource for evidence-based clinical practice guidelines. NGC is an initiative of the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, AHRQ, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. NGC was originally created by AHRQ in partnership with the American Medical Association and the American Association of Health Plans, now America's Health Insurance Plans AHIP. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. National Health Information Center. 1101 Wooten Parkway. #LL100. Rockville, Maryland 20852. odphpinfo@hhs.gov. health.gov/NHIC. 800-336-4797. 301-565-4167. 240-453-8282, fax. The National Health Information Center, NHIC, is sponsored by the Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. NHIC supports public health education and promotion by maintaining a calendar of national health observances. In addition, NHIC helps connect health professionals and consumers to the organizations that can best answer their questions by providing up-to-date contact information for the most reliable resources. NHIC updates the following information each year: national health observances, federal health information centers and clearinghouses, toll-free numbers for health information. Rural Health Information Hub. School of Medicine and Health Sciences. #E231. 1301 North Columbia Road, Stop 9037. Grand Forks, North Dakota 58202-9037. info@ruralhealthinfo.org. ruralhealthinfo.org/left-800-270-1898. 800-270-1913, fax. The Rural Health Information Hub, RHE Hub, serves as a rural health and human services information portal which helps rural communities and other rural stakeholders access the full range of available programs, funding, and research that can enable them to provide quality health and human services to rural residents. Services provided include RHEHub's website, electronic mailing lists, and customized assistance. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Central Time, except federal holidays. Genetic Diseases. Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center. P.O. Box 8126. Gaithersburg, Maryland 20898-8126. rarediseases.info.nih.gov/guard. 888-205-2311. 301-251-4925, international callers. 888-205-3223, TTY. 301-251-4911, fax. The National Human Genome Research Institute, NGRI, and the Office of Rare Diseases Research, ORDR, created the Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center to help people find useful information, in English or Spanish, about genetic and rare diseases. You can write to GUARD anytime via email, letter, or fax. Bilingual information specialists are available to respond to inquiries in Spanish. All information requests are completely confidential. Hours of operation, 12 p.m. 6 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. H. Healthcare Research. National Information Center on Health Services Research and Healthcare Technology. National Library of Medicine. 8600 Rockville Pike. Building 38A, Room 4s to 410. Bethesda, Maryland 20894. nichsr@nlm.nih.gov. nlm.nih.gov/nichsr. 301-496-0176. 301-402-3193, fax. The 1993 NIH Revitalization Act created a National Information Center on Health Services Research and Healthcare Technology at the National Library of Medicine. The center works closely with the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality to improve the dissemination of the results of health services research, with special emphasis on the growing body of evidence reports and technology assessments, which provide organizations with comprehensive, science-based information on common, costly medical conditions and new healthcare technologies. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. National Quality Measures Clearinghouse Trademark. Center for Outcomes and Evidence. Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. 5600 Fishers Lane. Rockville, Maryland 20857. info@qualitymeasures.ahrq.gov. qualitymeasures.ahrq.gov. 301-427-1364. The National Quality Measures Clearinghouse Trademark, NQMC, is a public resource for evidence-based quality measures and measure sets. NQMC is an initiative of the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The NQMC database and website provide information on specific evidence-based healthcare measures and measure sets. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Heart, Lungs, and Blood. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute Health Information Center. P.O. Box 30105. Bethesda, Maryland 20824, 0105. NHLB info@nhlby.nih.gov. nhlby.nih.gov. 301-592-8573. For access to free telecommunications relay services, TRS, dial 7-1-1 on your telephone. 240-629-3255, TTY. 301-592-8563, fax. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NLBI, provides leadership for a national program in diseases of the heart, blood vessels, lungs, and blood resources, and sleep disorders. The NLBI plans and directs research in development and evaluation of interventions and devices related to prevention, treatment, and rehabilitation of patients suffering from such diseases and disorders. For health professionals and the public, the NLBI conducts educational activities, including development and dissemination of materials in the above areas, with an emphasis on prevention. Hours of operation, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, the day after Thanksgiving, and December 24th. Hematologic Diseases. National Hematologic Diseases Information Service. 7. Information Way. Bethesda, Maryland 20892 to 3571. healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. hematologic.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162, TTY. 703-738-4929, fax. The National Hematologic Diseases Information Service, NDIS, is an information dissemination service of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDK. The NIDK is part of the National Institutes of Health of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The NDIS provides information about hematologic diseases to people with hematologic diseases and to their families, healthcare professionals, and the public. The NDIS answers inquiries, develops and distributes publications, and works closely with professional and patient organizations and government agencies to coordinate resources about hematologic diseases. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Homelessness. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administrations, SAMHSA, Homelessness Resource Center. Homeless programs at samhsa.hhs.gov. homeless.samhsa.gov. SAMHSA's Homelessness Resource Center, HRC, is an interactive learning community dedicated to disseminating knowledge and best practices to prevent and end homelessness. It includes providers, consumers, policymakers, researchers, and public agencies at federal, state, and local levels. The HRC website is part of the Homelessness Resource Network, HRN, a collaboration to share a common digital library of over 9,000 resources related to homelessness, mental illness, substance use, co-occurring disorders, and traumatic stress. Housing. HUD user, Housing and Urban Development. P.O. Box 23268. Washington, D.C. 20026-3268. Helpdesk at hudusair.org. hudusair.org, 800-245-2691. 800-927-7589, TDD. 202-708-9981, fax. HUD user disseminates publications for the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development's Office of Policy Development and Research. HUD user offers database searches on housing research and provides reports on housing safety, housing for elderly and handicapped persons, and lead-based payment. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Injuries. National Injury Information Clearinghouse. U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. 4330 East West Highway Room 820. Bethesda, Maryland 20814. cpsc.gov/n/about-cpsc/national-injury-information-clearinghouse. 800-638-2772 CPSC Hotline. 301-595-7054, TTY. 301-504-7921. 301-504-0025, fax. Sponsored by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, the clearinghouse collects and disseminates information on the causes and prevention of death, injury, and illness associated with consumer products. It compiles data obtained from accident reports, consumer complaints, death certificates, news clips, and the National Electronic Injury Surveillance System operated by the CPSC. Publications include statistical analyses of data and hazard and accident patterns. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. J. Justice. National Criminal Justice Reference Service. P.O. Box 6000. Rockville, Maryland 20849-6000. Response Center at ncjrs.gov. ncjrs.gov. 800-851-3420. 202-836-6998, international callers. 301-240-6310, TTY. 301-240-5310, 5830, fax. The National Criminal Justice Reference Service, NCJRS, was established in 1972 as a centralized information service for criminal justice practitioners and researchers. NCJRS provides reference services, distributes publications of the U.S. Department of Justice, Office of Justice Programs, acquires publications for its collection, and provides other services, such as document loan and information dissemination, via the Internet. A computerized database includes abstracts of all materials in the NCJRS collection. The database is available on CD-ROM and on dialogue. Health issues covered by NCJRS include violence prevention, mental illness and crime, victimization, human development and criminal behavior, family violence and child abuse, healthcare fraud, substance abuse and treatment, and correctional healthcare, including AIDS and tuberculosis. Hours of operation, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. K. Kidney disease. National Kidney and Urologic Diseases Information Clearinghouse. 3. Information Way. Bethesda, Maryland 20892 to 3580. healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. kidney.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162, TTY. 703-738-4929, fax. The National Kidney and Urologic Diseases Information Clearinghouse, KIDIC, is an information and referral service of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, one of the National Institutes of Health. The clearinghouse responds to written inquiries, email and telephone requests, develops and distributes publications about kidney and urologic diseases, and provides referrals to kidney and urologic disease organizations, including support groups. KIDIC maintains a database of patient and professional education materials from which literature searches are generated. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. L. Lead. National Lead Information Center. 422 South Clinton Avenue, Rochester, New York 14620. www.epa.gov/lead/form/lead-hotline-national-lead-information-center. 800-424-LEAD, 424-5323. 585-232-3111, fax. The National Lead Information Center, NLIC, is sponsored by the Environmental Protection Agency. NLIC provides information on lead poisoning and children, lead-based paint, a list of local and state contacts who can help, and other lead-related questions. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. M. Minority Health. Office of Minority Health Resource Center. Office of Minority Health. P.O. Box 37337. Washington, D.C. 20013-7337. info@minorityhealth.hhs.gov. minorityhealth.hhs.gov. 800-444-6472. 240-453-2882. 301-251-1432, TDD. 301-251-2160, fax. The center responds to information requests from health professionals and consumers on minority health issues and locates sources of technical assistance. It provides referrals to relevant organizations and distributes materials. Spanish-speaking operators are available. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. N. Nutrition. Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition Outreach and Information Center. U.S. Food and Drug Administration. 5001 Campus Drive, College Park, Maryland 20740. Consumerinfo at fda.hhs.gov. fda.gov/about fda/centers/offices/office of food/cfs and/default.htm. 888, Safe Food, 723-3366. The goal of the Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition's FSAN, Communications and Coordination Branch, CCB, is to enhance FSAN's ability to provide and respond to the public's desire/demand for more useful, timely, and accurate information regarding its regulated products. CCB was also established to enhance the Food and Drug Administration's ability to provide accurate and meaningful information to the public about food safety. In addition to providing food safety information, CCB provides assistance with other FSAN issues including nutrition, dietary supplements, food labeling, cosmetics, food additives, and food biotechnology. Hours of operation, 10 a.m. 4 p.m., closed Thursday 12:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Consumer recorded information available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Food and Nutrition Information Center. National Agricultural Library. 10301 Baltimore Avenue, Room 108. Beltsville, Maryland 20705-2351. fnic@ars.usda.gov. fnic.nal.usda.gov. 301-504-5755. 301-504-7402, fax. The Food and Nutrition Information Center, FNIC, is one of several information centers located at the National Agricultural Library, part of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Agricultural Research Service. FNIC provides information on food, human nutrition, and food safety. Resource lists, databases, and many other food and nutrition-related links are available on the FNIC website. FNIC collection includes books, manuals, journal articles, and audiovisual materials. Eligible patrons may borrow directly, others may borrow through interlibrary loan. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Occupational Safety. National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health Information Inquiry Service. 1600 Clifton Road, Atlanta, Georgia 30329-4027. CINFO@cdc.gov. cdc.gov/NIOSH. 800 CDC Info 232-4636. 888-232-6348, TTY. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, Information Inquiry Service is a toll-free technical information service that provides convenient public access to NIOSH and its information resources. The service is available to anyone in the continental United States, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Osteoporosis. NIH Osteoporosis and Related Bone Diseases National Resource Center. 2 AMS Circle, Bethesda, Maryland 20892-3676. NIH boneinfo@mail.nih.gov. bones.nih.gov. 800-624-BONE, 624-2663. 202-223-0344. 202-466-4315, TTY. 202-293-2356, fax. The NIH Osteoporosis and Related Bone Diseases National Resource Center provides patients, health professionals, and the public with an important link to resources and information on metabolic bone diseases. The mission of NIHORBD-NRC is to expand awareness and enhance knowledge and understanding of the prevention, early detection, and treatment of these diseases as well as strategies for coping with them. The NRC is supported by the National Institute of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Diseases with contributions from the National Institute on Aging, Eunice Kennedy Shriver National Institute of Child Health and Human Development, National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research, National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIH Office of Research on Women's Health and HHS Office on Women's Health. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. P. Pesticides. National Pesticide Information Center. Oregon State University. 310 Weniger Hall. Corvallis, Oregon, 97331-6502. npic@ace.orst.edu. npic.orst.edu, 800-858-7378. The National Pesticide Information Center, NPIC, provides objective, science-based information about a wide variety of pesticide-related topics, including pesticide product information, information on the recognition and management of pesticide poisonings, toxicology, and environmental chemistry. Highly trained specialists can also provide referrals for the following: laboratory analyses, investigation of pesticide incidents, emergency treatment information, safety information, health and environmental effects, and cleanup and disposal procedures. NPIC is a toll-free telephone service available to anyone in the United States, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands, including the general public, the hearing impaired, and medical, veterinary, and other healthcare professionals. Spanish-speaking specialists are available to assist with pesticide questions and provide services in more than 170 different languages including Mandarin, French, and German. Pesticide information is also available by visiting their new user-friendly website at npic.orst.edu. Both their full-color English and Spanish brochures are available online. Other research materials are available on request. NPIC is a cooperative effort between Oregon State University and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Hours of operation, 8 o'clock a.m. 12 p.m., daily, Monday, Friday, Pacific Time, except federal holidays, voicemail available after hours. R. Rehabilitation. Able Data, Assistive Devices, Rehabilitation. 103 West Broad Street. Number 400. Falls Church, Virginia, 22046. Able Data at newseditions.net. AbleData.com, 800-227-0216. 703-992-8313, TTY. 703-356-8314, fax. Se habla español. Able Data is an internationally recognized resource for objective information on assistive technology and rehabilitation equipment, serving the nation's disability, rehabilitation, and senior communities. Offering the most comprehensive listing of assistive products available, Able Data provides information on almost 40,000 assistive products, 5,000 manufacturers and distributors, and 3,000 disability-related organizations, as well as abstracts of over 11,000 books and articles relating to assistive technology. Able Data provides detailed descriptions of each product's functions and features, price information, when available, and contact information for the manufacturer and distributors. The Able Data website, abledata.com, offers free, 24/7 access to all of Able Data's information resources. Able Data staff are available to respond to public inquiries about assistive technology by telephone via a toll-free number as well as by email, fax, text, telephone, and regular mail. Staff are available 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Able Data is funded by the National Institute on Disability, Independent Living, and Rehabilitation Research, Myhealthfinder. Myhealthfinder is part of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Administration for Community Living. Able Data does not sell products, and we do not endorse any non-government websites, companies, or applications. National Rehabilitation Information Center. 8400 Corporate Drive. Number 500. Landover, Maryland 20785. NARICinfo@haytechservices.com. NARIC.com, 800-346-2742. 301-459-5984, TTY. 301-459-4263, fax. The National Rehabilitation Information Center, NARIC, is a library and information center on disability and rehabilitation. Funded by the National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research, NARIC collects and disseminates the results of federally funded research projects. The collection, which also includes books, journal articles, and audiovisuals, grows at a rate of about 300 documents per month. Information or referral free, $5 USD minimum for documents. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Reproductive Health. Office of Population Affairs. Office of Population Affairs. Office of the Assistant Secretary for Health. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. P.O. Box 30686. Bethesda, Maryland 20824-0686. OPA@hhs.gov. hhs.gov/OPA. 240-453-2800. 240-453-2801, fax. The Office of Population Affairs, OPA, administers the Title X program and serves as the focal point to advise the Secretary and the Assistant Secretary for Health on a wide range of reproductive health topics, including family planning, adolescent pregnancy, sterilization, and other population issues. Title X is the only federal program dedicated solely to the provision of family planning and related preventive services. The Office of Population Affairs operates under the direction of the Deputy Assistant Secretary for Population Affairs. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, voicemail available after hours. Rural Information. Rural Information Center. National Agricultural Library. 10301, Baltimore Avenue, Room 123. Beltsville, Maryland 20705-2351. ric@ars.usda.gov. ric.nal.usda.gov. 800-633-7701. 301-504-5755. 301-504-7042, fax. The Rural Information Center provides information and funding sources to tribal, local, state, and federal government officials, community organizations, rural electric and telephone cooperatives, libraries, businesses, and rural citizens working to maintain the vitality of America's rural areas. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. S. Smoking/smokeless tobacco. Office on Smoking and Health. National Center for Chronic Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. 4770 Buford Highway NE, MSK 50. Atlanta, Georgia 30341-3717. Tobaccoinfo@cdc.gov. cdc.gov/tobacco. 800-232-4636. 888-232-6348, TTY. The Office on Smoking and Health develops and distributes the annual Surgeon General's Report on Smoking and Health, coordinates a national public information and education program on tobacco use and health, and coordinates tobacco education and research efforts within the Department of Health and Human Services and throughout both federal and state governments. The office provides information on smoking cessation, secondhand smoke, professional/technical information, and publications. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Substance abuse. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAMHSA. 5600 Fishers Lane, Rockville, Maryland 20857. SAMHSA info at samhsa.hhs.gov. samhsa.gov. 877, SAMHSA 7, 726-4727. 800-487-4889, TDD. SAMHSA's mission is to disseminate information and products to promote the adoption of effective prevention, intervention, and treatment policies, programs, and practices, provide access to scientific research on substance abuse and mental health issues, and serve as a first point of contact for individuals seeking information on the prevention and treatment of mental and substance use disorders. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Sudden Infant Death Syndrome. National SUID/SIDS Gateway. Georgetown University. Box 571272. Washington, D.C. 20057-1272. Info at sidcenter.org. ncmch.org/suid-sids/866-624-1935. 202-784-9770. 202-784-9777, fax. The National SUID/SIDS Gateway serves as a resource for states, communities, professionals, and families to reduce sudden unexpected infant death, SUID, and sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, promote healthy outcomes, and cope with grief when losses occur. The Maternal and Child Health, MCH, Library provides a toll-free information line and email service to answer requests for information or publications, maintains an accessible website with continuously updated information, resources, and links to programs and services, identifies informational and educational needs within the MCH and sudden infant death communities, develops print and web-based materials for professionals and the public, dedicates one issue per month of the MCH Alert electronic newsletter to highlighting current infant mortality topics, maintains comprehensive searchable databases of information, connects people with programs and services through direct referrals, promotes awareness and enhances knowledge through outreach activities, and works closely with the Maternal and Child Health Bureau and its consortium partners, parents, professional organizations, and government agencies. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. T. Technical Information. National Technical Information Service. U.S. Department of Commerce. 5301 Shawnee Road, Alexandria, Virginia 22312. Info at ntis.gov. ntis.gov. 800-553-6847. 703-605-6000. 703-487-4639, TDD. 703-605-6900, fax. The National Technical Information Service, NTIS, is the federal government's largest central source for government-funded the sale of scientific, technical, engineering, and related business information produced by or for the U.S. government and complementary material from international sources. NTIS also offers thousands of multimedia, training, and educational programs produced by federal agencies. Approximately 3 million products are available from NTIS in a variety of formats: electronic download, online access, computer products, multimedia, microfiche, and paper. Hours of operation, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays, TDD 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. W. Weight Control. Weight Control Information Network. National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. 1. Winway. Bethesda, Maryland, 20892-3665. healthinfo@niddk.nih.gov. win.niddk.nih.gov. 800-860-8747. 866-569-1162. 301-634-0716, fax. The Weight Control Information Network, WIN, was established by the National Institutes of Health's National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases in June 1994. WIN is a national source of information on weight control, obesity, and weight-related nutritional disorders for health professionals and the public. WIN responds to both written and telephone requests for information and referrals, and provides a variety of written materials on obesity, weight control, and nutritional disorders. Hours of operation, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Women. womenshealth.gov. Office on Women's Health. 200 Independence Avenue Southwest Room 712E. Washington, D.C. 20201. womenshealth.gov. 800-994-9662. 202-690-7650, local. 888-220-5446, TDD. 202-205-2631, fax. womenshealth.gov is the most reliable and current information resource on women's health today. They offer free women's health information on more than 800 topics through their call center and website. By phone, in English and Spanish, or via our website you can find original health information on special topics like pregnancy, breastfeeding, body image, HIV/AIDS, girls' health, heart health, menopause and hormone therapy, mental health, quitting smoking, and violence against women, original health information and resources for special populations, minority women, women with disabilities, girls, men, and Spanish speakers, thousands of health publications, statistics on women's health, daily news on women's health, and more. womenshealth.gov also sponsors the National Breastfeeding Helpline. Trained breastfeeding peer counselors can give support and encouragement and help with basic breastfeeding questions and concerns by phone at 1-800-994-9662 or by visiting womenshealth.gov/breastfeeding. womenshealth.gov is a service of the Office on Women's Health, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays. Why? Youth. National Clearinghouse on Families and Youth. 5515 Security Lane. Number 800. North Bethesda, Maryland 20852. Requests at ncfy.com. ncfy.acf.hhs.gov. 301-608-8098. 240-645-4526, for Spanish. 301-587-4352, fax. The Clearinghouse links those interested in youth issues with the resources they need to better serve young people, families, and communities. It offers materials for distribution at conferences. The website includes a searchable literature database and information on funding sources. Hours of operation, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday, Friday, Eastern Time, except federal holidays.